This smartphone camera stabilizer kit provides a solid, comfortable handheld frame that noticeably smooths out shaky video for both phones and compact cameras. The cage design includes multiple cold shoe mounts and threaded holes so you can attach lights, microphones, or other accessories in flexible configurations as your setup grows. A bright RGB video light with fine brightness control and accurate color output makes it easy to get flattering footage in dim rooms or mixed lighting situations. The included external microphone delivers clearer, more focused sound than built-in phone mics and works with a wide range of phones, cameras, and computers when properly connected. A detachable side handle lets you switch grips and shooting angles quickly, which is especially helpful for low-angle shots, walking shots, or long recording sessions. Overall, this all-in-one kit is a practical choice for vloggers and mobile filmmakers who want a portable, well-thought-out rig that can handle many different shooting scenarios.